first time St. Xavier's College Calcutta Alumni Association is organizing Xaverian Soccer League. There are 8 teams participating. It has been a wonderful experience. For me, all the 8 teams are playing very well. They have played well. And what is important is that this event has brought many Xaverians together. Some of them are coming even after, 10 years, 8 years, 2 years. And it's a wonderful event. Everyone is enjoying, and the alumni members are doing their best to make this event a great success. That way, it's a wonderful event.
I appreciate your creativity. Not only will be when enjoying the match, it will bring a greater bond of unity among ourselves, whoever be there. Wish you all the best. I wish all the team, every team to win. Every team to win, and we will do it. Thank you very much. God bless you.
The Honorary Secretary of the SXCCAA for his little bit here.
We have a lot of responsibility towards the alma mater, towards our society, and above all, we have responsibility to our students.
We have been existing here in this campus for the last 40 years. We are concentrating more on philanthropy and fellowship, but we have responsibility towards the students also to do something with the students. The best medium is sports. That is the reason we pick up football, because football is the game that is played most of the countries in the world. It is a common man game, and also the game of Calcutta, West Bengal. And I think that it had picked up well, and we thought that we'll continue every year.
He might have bigger plan in his basket to take the Xaverian spirit of sportsmanship.
Xaverian Soccer League 24 Open.
Next season when you play this competition, please, boys teams, girls teams, both.
This is a XSL Xaverian Soccer League team. Mr. Ranoj Mukherjee is advisor for this event. Sahid Ahmed Khan, advisor for the event. Dharmender Singh, convener for the event, and Arithro Nandi, convener for the event.
A big thank you to our father principal, Dominic Savio, president of SXCCAA, and honorary secretary, Mr. Firdaus Hassan, without whose help this wouldn't have been materialized. With constant support, we got all the marquee players who are actually the highlights of this tournament. So yes, this will be the mega event of the city, and this will be one place where all the tomorrow's Khetris will be coming out from this college.
The school sports department also played a very vital role in organizing this.
So many stakeholders were there. Everybody played their part, the advisors, the conveners, and there were a lot of people, back forces. They were doing a great job.
Xaverian Soccer League, perfect. The ambience, the atmosphere around is impeccably good. We had a great 2 days of full action. We saw some super talented footballers who were great, and good to see some, alumni who are quite senior, but they're still very active. I think it's a great platform where we bring all the different units together. We have with us Dipankar Roy, who was a marquee player, and trust me, it was such an honor to have him with us.
এই টুর্নামেন্টে আইপিএল এর মতো পুরো একটা পথ দেখানো শুরু করলো। ভালো লাগছে, যে আশা করছি জেভিয়ার্স এর পরের বছরে এর চেয়েও ভালো করবে, আরো ভালো করে অর্গানাইজ হবে। থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি মাচ।
Well, we passed out so many years back, but still we are here, this active. This has been possible only because of our alumni. And for that, my heartfelt gratitude to Father Principal Dr. Dominic Savio and our very enterprising Secretary, Mr. Firdausul Hassan. And what is a better way than bonding, than sports? So I think it's a great initiative, and we want many more to come.
It's a great honor for us, even though we are retired, but then to show our skills, what we have displayed during our playing days. It's a great opportunity that we got to come and play amongst the current as well as the ex-Xaverian.
My name is Angelo Nathan, and I'm part of the Zaverian Tigers team. We have our marquee player Subhash Dar right here with us, and we are very excited to participate in this tournament here. We are hoping tournaments like this keep continuing and encourage young people to come and play sports. This kind of sporting activities keep people healthy.
It's a great initiative by Zaverians, and we really look forward towards the next year. We'll definitely going to participate. So this is the first time we are participating, and we are really proud to have such a wonderful team with us. And we have our captain here, Arnab Mondol. আমি রিকোয়েস্ট করব অর্ণব, তুমি যদি কিছু বলো টিমের ব্যাপারে।
জিবিএস কলেজকে আমি কংগ্রেচুলেট জানাবো তাদের জেভিয়ান সকার লিগের জন্য, এবং এখানটা এনভায়রনমেন্ট বলুন, যে এম্বিয়েন্স অত্যন্ত ভালো। এরা যে ইনিশিয়েটিভটা নিয়েছে এখান থেকে, আমি এর আগেও বলেছিলাম যে বাংলা থেকে যে ফুটবলার পাওয়া যাচ্ছে না, হয়তো এখান থেকে কিছু আমরা ফুটবলার খুঁজে পাবো।
I am Sharmishta Das. I am the owner of Team Chambers. I will introduce with my captain, Denson Devdas.
Xavier's tournament. They had organized it in a wonderful way, and also the players, those who had participated in, they were good enough. And like this tournament has to come up for the development of the sports actually. So great that all the franchisees and business people who had come and invested in this to make it a good event.
And I am very much indebted to the Alumni Association. They are cooperating with us like anything. Thanks to them, and all the best.
Our team flow is mostly strikers. Mr. Naveen is our team captain, and as everybody knows, he has played for India for all the shooting clubs, East Bengal, Moment Sporting, Mohun Bagan.
খুব ভালো ইনিশিয়েটিভ এটা, XSL এর যেটা করেছে এটা, এরকম লিগ আরো হওয়া দরকার প্রত্যেকটা জায়গায়। আপকামিং যারা প্লেয়ার আছে তাদের জন্য এটা ভালো। এবং ফুটবল দেখো, কলকাতা মানে ফুটবল, আর ফুটবল মানে কলকাতাকে মক্কা বলা হয়। তো সেই তুলনায় আমাদের প্রত্যেকটা টিম যারা পার্টিসিপেট করছে, প্রত্যেকটা টিমকে অল দ্য বেস্ট।
This tournament being organized by the St. Xavier's alumni is a great initiative because it helps bring about the former players of the college. We get to come together and play football, which is what we love doing. We also get a chance to play with former marquee players like Mehta Hussain, Nabi, Ashim Biswas, and a bunch of other players who have been playing for years in Kolkata and playing for the national team. And so it's a great experience for people like us to play with them. And we hope that this tournament brings about, change for the football in the city. And we hope that there's more tournaments like this in the future.
XSL Zaverian football tournament बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है यहाँ पे आके। आई थिंक ये देख के जो यंग जनरेशन, यंग प्लेयर, वो लोग आएगा, फुटबॉल के बारे में अवेयरनेस होगा। तो आई थिंक ये होना चाहिए हर कॉलेज में, जैसे पहले होता था, फिर स्टार्ट हुआ है। आई थिंक ये फुटबॉल के लिए बहुत अच्छा गुड साइन है।
We represent LOD Lions. Our experience as of yesterday has been wonderful. We have played 2 matches. We have won 1 and the other one was a draw match. Let's see what happens today, and we are hoping to win. LOD Lions, here to go. LOD Lions, here to go.
We are assembled here to congratulate the winners.
Zaverian Soccer League has become an experience. It has become part of our life and experience. This is what I observed last 2 days. I watched almost all matches. I enjoyed every match. I would like to congratulate all the 8 teams and all the 18 players who have played very, very well. Of course, we need to congratulate the 2 teams which played the finals. Of course, we have Lido and we have Credo.
We shall present the award for the man of the match, Alvito Dapuna, former star of the Maidan, most valuable player of Zaverian Soccer League.
He's a youngster, one for the future, so I give this trophy to Keshav as the highest goal scorer. I wish you all the very best, Keshav. Keep scoring more goals and keep winning more trophies.
That's the runners-up trophy.
It has brought many of us together, to recall the old days at St. Xavier's College. That way is for me another Sangam, a reunion of our Alumni Association members.
Zaverian Soccer League, for the first time we are having, since it was the beginning of our journey and we started with a positive note. We got a very good response, very good participation, and a good quality of game was played by all the team. And I hope that it will, if this year we made it big, we hope that next year we'll make it bigger.
Agnello Chopno, Tyron Tyson Smith, Anika Prasad Gupta, Anirudh Roy and Jason Paul. On behalf of everyone there, the winners' trophy, as I said, a pulsating football, spirit of the beautiful game of football, which is won.
We are here only because of SXCCAA. And definitely I would like to, deeply, give my gratitude to Father for always being there, and definitely to our Secretary Firdausul Hassan. And I live this on behalf of Women's Forum. I'm here because of Women's Forum. Thank you so much, all my supporters.